Hello everybody, Paul79 here. Hope you're safe and well. Thought I'd do a little promotional video to show you sort of what I do as a hobby. As you can see, I love building cars, in particular Porsche GT3 RS's, and at the moment I've got 3 on the go. So let's have a look at them. Here we go. So this was my first one, built on a 2005 Porsche Boxster 987. I've had this finished for about 2 years. I've done about 15,000 miles in it. It gets used every day, hence why it is so dirty. But yeah, this was my first RS replica that I've built. You can see here, yes, it is absolutely filthy inside. Standard Boxster, new steering wheel and new 911 997 dashboard. Then what else have we got? Well, we have another one. This is a 2006 Porsche Boxster underneath. So it's a year younger. This is a project. This is my 5th kit car. I've only had it 2 months, but I've came into ownership. I've done a lot on it. There is a separate video on it, but yes, this is another one that I am currently building. And then finally, if we go out the back, we have this one, which is number 4. This is going to be the ultimate replica, I think, that I've built. It is a 3.4S Porsche Boxster. It's only done 30,000 miles. It's all been uprated, uprated brakes, suspension, the lot. This one is going to be blue, and this one will replace my white one out there. So there you go. That was just a quick taster of what my channel is all about. So there you go, guys. So if you like what you see and want to watch me working hard, getting dirty and dusty, etc, etc, and finishing off this one, driving about in this one, and also finishing off the one out the back, please subscribe to the channel, Kit Cars with Paul79. See you later, bye.